What is going on, everybody? ErikTheElectric with you guys again with another video, and this is going to be a lifting and cycling video for you guys. I haven't put up ride footage in a long time. You're going to see some deadlifts here. Actually pulled 365 for 4 this Wednesday fasted session. I actually did I believe it was 60 minutes spin before this, so I was feeling pretty good. Had a power interval session before that. Felt very powerful on my pulls that morning. Really proud of what I was able to put up. I could have went for that 5th rep, but at that point, you guys will see, taking the hat off, ready to go. It was one of those things where I didn't really want to compromise my back, as it does round quite significantly. It's just one of those things I really had to take a step back and really just kind of think of the bigger picture, and there I am hitting it, and it was definitely a good session, very eye-opening, and I'll get the 5 reps soon. You'll just see some additional other back work that I don't really usually put. I usually just put in my compound lifts. That's really all I care about, but I'll just show you guys what else I do in the gym. When I train, usually I just, like I said, I'll put up like overhead press or squat, deadlifts, and everything like that, but this is all the other stuff I do. I like to do these paused usually, but I did this, and then did some back extensions afterwards, kind of work on the glutes and lower back as well. Gotta focus on the accessory work as well. Hit the weak points. So after that, you're going to see some ride footage. This is from today. Had a actual casual ride for once. Didn't do any real climbing today. This is going to be, you guys are going to see my warm-up climb, which is one of the hardest in San Diego. I try to be as modest as possible when I say that, but I live right next to arguably one of the hardest climbs in San Diego. I live literally about 100 feet away from the road that it's on, so what better way to get better at climbing than to actually climb. So take you guys through what it looks like. It's a pretty gradual build up, and it's one of those things where you kind of just have to work your way up and get stamina. And I do this climb at least once before I start my rides. It's got to be you got to really just hit it hard, and it works its way up to a 15 to 16% grade. Overall, the climb itself is about 1,600 feet, which is pretty substantial if you're doing it for a few. What I do with it to train is do repeats on it. So I usually do about 4 or 5 times, and then hit a ride afterwards. So that kind of leaves me with 12,000 feet in overall elevation gain. If you guys have seen a few of my other ride clips and stats that I put up for everybody. So this is the very top right here, and then you can actually see all of San Diego from this point, which is another reason why I love climbing this. You can look out right there and see the ocean. You can see downtown San Diego, and then right there, that's the northern part of San Diego and upwards of LA over there. So that's how tall this actually is. So and then having some fun right here. I believe I topped out at 51 today. Granted, I have reached 62 miles an hour on this descent before, and it was probably one of those dumbest things I could have ever really done. So at that point, if you fall, you're pretty much screwed. You get road rash, and yeah, that was just me being stupid. But right here, I'm actually pretty controlled, believe it or not. So, camera was actually bumping around because I installed it pretty quickly this morning. Wasn't really thinking about how shaky it was going to be, but I just wanted to show you guys what it's going to look like. This is just another ride for me. A lot of people would freak out, and I don't. It's pretty casual. But yeah, so this is the actual warm-up run again for you guys, just to clarify. After this, I'll go back up the hill and then head out into my normal ride. And today I went to the beach, and you'll see some clips here. I actually pulled up and saw some cops, like 5 cop cars stopping one random white dude on the corner, which is pretty funny. And then some beach clips after this, which is pretty nice. I haven't gone out to the beach in a long time. It's been pretty, believe it or not, we do have bad weather in San Diego, and today was the first nice day. So I'll leave you with the various beach clips and let you guys check out the rest of the video. So glad I got some ride footage up for you guys. Stay tuned for the rest of the video, guys. popping my Chick-fil-A cherry.
Okay.
So what is this? Did you eat it? The infamous Chick-fil-A sauce. Looks like cheese almost. Minions.
And any Minions candy?
Minions. Oh hey, you can take a picture of me on the Minions one.
Want me to?
I don't know what my She wanted water and napkins. She buttered popcorn too much. Things I do for love.